Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. If you're new here guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Instagram and I will put the link on the screen now. Just before we crack on guys, just want to say massive thank you to the new subscribers and all of you guys who take time to send me comment and a big thumbs up. Today big shout out goes to Gina. She's got an amazing channel, go and check it out, from USA. Shireen from Arizona as well, and sweet and lovely Evelyn. Ladies, thank you so much for your constant love and support. Today I'm so excited because it's one of my favorite projects. I want to share with you how I made this wiper card. It's a wiper card, so it's got a little mechanism here inside, which I will show you in just a second, that when it's flat, and when you open it, so you slide it, you got a little giraffe inside to say galloping by, to say happy birthday. Really pretty. I love it, absolutely love it. As you can see, the card is very full, so it's got a lot of elements. For this project I have used a combination of stamps and dies. I showed you guys this on my latest craft stash haul, and in case you guys have missed it, I will put the link on the description here on the corner. So this is collection made to surprise by Sam Calcott. This is the Amazing Animals A5 stamp set and the die set, of course. Look at it, it looks so cute. I absolutely love this stamp set. I ordered it, the first time I ordered it were actually sold out, and then Craft Stash refunded me the money, and then I on Craft Stash, on the product, you can put your email and then you get notified when the item's back in stock. So I did, and then as soon as this was back, it was really very popular. I managed to get it. I love the stamp set because you got the, well, there's supposed to be two giraffes, but guys, let me know. I think he looks more like a donkey. Don't you think? Hence why when I coloured it, mine's more like a donkey rather than a giraffe. She's a proper giraffe, look, isn't she? Like she's definitely a giraffe. She's so pretty. But I thought his was more like a donkey anyway. Anyway, it's a versatile stamp set. It's very funky. It's very fun. Galloping by, it's your birthday, to say happy birthday. Why the long face? You're not that old. Stay cool. Good luck and hi. And then you can use the you here for good luck, and the good luck little flower as well. And on here you get 5 of the die cut element. It's an absolutely shame because I have to fussy cut the leaves, and I thought it would have been nicer if they would put the die cut for the leaves as well, which is a bit of a shame, but I suppose never mind. Really cute. They're green just to match the collection, and you get the 5 elements. So you get the this to cut the cap this way, I'm telling you. Then you got him there, the element in there, her, and the flower. So the flower is actually really pretty, because what I've done here, guys, I don't know if you can see it, but I use some foam to make more like a 3D, and I folded the leaves just to give that extra the, like, even here, because I quite like 3D dimensional projects. Even these leaves, I folded it, and on here there are some foam, and I actually used 2, one on top of another, so you can see it there, because I really like the dimension of this project. What I've used from the leaves, I use this, it's really old, from Craft Sensation Mix and Match Unique Stories, and I used what is it, this one in the corner. I actually used them all because there were only 2, not 3, sorry, and I used the one from the front, the 2 panel on each side, and the 2 panel on the inside as well, and here. Because I thought when you'll be able actually to see the panel inside. I didn't bother about this panel here because when you actually open the card, I think the giraffe would draw your attention, but by all means you can put a panel in there as well. And then from inside I have used this paper I got free from the magazine. I believe it was a creative stamping or simply color peppergraph. Done a video tutorial using these this paper and the magazine. In case you missed it, guys, I will link here in the corner so you can go and check it out. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful paper. So I'll stop talking now and I'll show you how to make this card, because the mechanism is really simple. So what I've done here, guys, I have stamped and colored those gorgeous Amazing Animal A5 stamp set. So use the giraffe, the leaves, the other giraffe, which to me looks more like a donkey, so it's gonna be a donkey, and then another leaves in there. As you can see, I've used the Pro Markers, I've done a eBay haul when I show you about this, and I'll leave the link in here, guys, in case you missed it. And I actually have to chase for the blender, but I told all the story on that video, so if you're interested, guys, go ahead and check it out. So what I've done, I've just simply colored it, and I've used the actual paper that they recommend to use with the Pro Marker, which is a 75 gram. It's really thin, but it's bleed proof. And I must admit, guys, look at the back. So it's actually really good. When I was coloring, I have no issue whatsoever, and I still managed to get some more blending, especially here with the yellow and the oranges. So I'm really pleased with this paper. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna die cut the flower and the leaves, because they comes with the dies, and then the giraffe and the donkey. And then I had to unfortunately, for some reason there is not a die cut for the leaves, which is a shame, because I could have put it. So I'm fussy cut the leaves with my scissor, and I come back here once all the elements are done and cut. Okay, guys, so what do you need? You need 2 panels, so 2 piece of cardstock that measure 9 by 6, because my card was 6 by 6. Okay, so what you do, you score at 6 and 7.5, and then of course 9. So this is 1.5 each panel. So what you do, one is valley fold and one is a mountain fold. So what you do, you score and fold and finish the score line, both of them. Okay, so you get this one on this side, and then we do exactly the same on this one there. Okay, so which will be this side there. So one inwards. Okay, so the side with your window, it's the side that it's gonna go like this. Okay, don't worry too much. I just literally cut the frame really quickly with my scissors to show you the principle. But of course, this side here, the 2 sides of the window, has to be the same size of the panel, so you don't see it. But just for now, I just want to show you the principle of how this card works. Okay, so what you do, guys, so you get, again, 2 simple panel, score lines, 2 scores line there, and then you fold it like a concertina. Okay, and you do exactly the same on this side. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to attach this side there and that side in there, so you get the concertina mechanism in there. Okay, so we're just gonna do it really quickly. I could have used tape, to be fair, but never mind. I'm just gonna quickly wait for the glue. I need to top it up, that's why. So we do a generous amount, and just make sure those 2 panels are stuck together. So start with this first. Okay. Really nice press down, and then we do the same on this side here. Okay, so you put your glue or your double side tape, whatever you guys prefer. I like to use glue, especially for this project, because it will make, because it's wet, it will make the cardstock more stronger once it's glued up together. So I mean, I'm trying to be quick, but I'm making a mess, so I might have to slow down a bit. Yeah, so as I said, don't worry too much about this panel here, because I just want to show you guys the principle. Okay, so you get this mechanism in here, okay, or that side, whatever you want to do it. Okay, so mine is on your right hand side. So when you open, so that's your card in your envelope. When you open it, your folding is on your left hand side. Okay, so let's pretend it's in here. So this is my card. So what you want to do, guys, you need a piece of cardstock which is the same width as the bottom of your card there. What you want to do, guys, you need to create a corner, a triangle here in the corner. So you fold it inwards and you fold it on the other side as well. Do several times, because we need this is our mechanism, so we need our triangle to be very flexible, because this is the wiper of the card. Okay, so what you do, guys, you just put the glue in there. Just on the triangle on the corner. What you, oops, I dropped it. What you want to do, guys, you want to fold it so the glue is inside, yeah? And this panel goes inside here on this score line there. So I hope you can see what I'm doing. So this side is facing the bottom of your card, okay? And this side here, this one here, is attached to the inner score line in there. And just make sure you don't go over your card, and you give it a really good press. Okay, and that's your wiper. So I'm just going to give it a good press for just 1 second. Just make sure, because what you need to do over here, guys, you need to be very patient, because the glue needs to dry. If it doesn't dry properly and you rush, it's not going to work. So give it a really good press. Okay, and that's your wiper. Okay, now this can be as long as you want. Of course, whatever you decide to do, just make sure when you attach your elements on here, you do, because this little part here will set flat like that. You don't go over it. So when you glue your elements, you need to make sure you don't go over this line here. Okay, and I'll show you why. So this is the line of your card. You see my elements are actually glued to this line. So when it's flat, you don't see them. And that's the giraffe. Okay, very simple, guys. And that's your template. As I said, this can be as long, you know, any size really, any long, but as long as you don't go over, because otherwise when it's flat you see it. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Let me just put the pin on my card. Question of the day: is it a giraffe or is it a donkey? Let me know in the comment down below. I think it's a donkey, and it's Tom the donkey and Betty the giraffe, I think. Yeah, she's Betty. She's two. Yeah, she's Betty. Betty. Galloping by to say happy birthday. Guys, I hope you like this project. If you did, don't forget to give me the usual thumbs up, because I will support the video doing well. Also, guys, I'm on Instagram and I will put the link on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot to me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day, and I will see you very soon. Bye.